My dear students, you are watching Path Maths online classes. In our classes, dear students, we have completed 6 questions from your exercise 7.3 of your NCERT book. So today in this video, we are going to start with the question number 7 and let's read the question number 7 first. The question number 7 states that find the equation of the line parallel to the line 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0 and this should pass through a point minus 2, 3. हमें जिस इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन को लिखना चाहते हैं वो -2, 3 पॉइंट से पास करती है, साथ में ये लाइन किसी दूसरी लाइन के पैरेलल भी है एंड दिस इज समथिंग लाइक दिस. दिस इज योर x एक्सिस, दिस इज योर y एक्सिस, दिस इज योर गिवन लाइन whose equation is given as your 3x minus 4y plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the given equation of line. And we want to write down the equation of a line which is your parallel to this line, and this is your passing through a point -2, 3. Let this equation is represented by AB and this is represented by CD. We want to write down the equation of line AB. हमें AB लाइन की इक्वेशन लिखनी है जबकि CD लाइन की इक्वेशन आपको गिवन है और ये CD और AB दोनों की दोनों आपस में पैरेलल है. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, देखिए अगर आपको पॉइंट गिवन है किसी भी लाइन के जिससे वो पास करती है और हमें स्लोप मिल जाए किसी भी तरह से, देन वी कैन अप्लाई योर पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्म एंड दैट इज गिवन बाय y minus y1 is equal to slope of x minus x1. So already we are given with the value of x1 y1 which is -2 and 3, but we require the slope. और स्लोप के लिए आप देखिए आपको एक लाइन की इक्वेशन गिवन है जो इस लाइन के पैरेलल है. And whenever two lines are parallel to each other, both will have the same slope. Means जो slope CD का है वही slope आपका AB का भी होगा. तो CD लाइन का slope आप आराम से निकाल सकते हैं because we have already discussed in your last videos how can we find the slope of a line if the general form of equation of a line is given to you. So this is the general form. So I have told you if any line which is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then the slope of this line is given by minus a by b, means minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So through this concept we can find the equation of lines slope of line CD. The slope of CD is given by, this is given by -3 by -4 which is your +3 by 4. But dear students, AB and CD both are parallel to each other, implies slope of AB will also be equal to 3 by 4. This is your 3 by 4. So slope of AB आपका 3 by 4 है, पॉइंट जिससे पास करती है वो -2 और 3 है. So let me put all these values in equation number 1. So y minus y1, y1 कौन है 3, स्लोप क्या है 3 by 4, x minus x1 कितना है, दिस इज योर -2, दिस इज +2. सो इम्प्लाइज 4y minus 12 इज इक्वल टू 3x plus 6 इम्प्लाइज 3x minus 4y plus 18 is equal to 0 is your required equation of the line AB. So this was the question number 7, and my dear students, question number 8 is your homework because both question are similar to each other. 7 क्वेश्चन के अंदर आपको 2 लाइन पैरेलल गिवन है और क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 के अंदर आपको 2 लाइन आपस में परपेंडिकुलर है. तो सिर्फ स्लोप निकालने का मेथड चेंज होगा. यहाँ पर स्लोप दोनों के इक्वल थे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 के अंदर एक लाइन का स्लोप दूसरी लाइन का स्लोप का नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल होगा. जैसे एक लाइन का स्लोप आप निकाल पाएंगे दूसरी लाइन का स्लोप उसका नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल होगा. पॉइंट आपको दिया हुआ है ऑलरेडी 3, 0. यू हैव टू जस्ट यूज दिस formula. So now let me do the question number 9, and the question number 9 is to find the angle between two lines. I have told you earlier that whenever equation of two lines are given to you, then how can we find the angle between them? Any two lines are given to you like this. These are the two lines whose equations are your a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and equation of other line is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then first of all we need to find the slopes. If m1 is the slope of first line and m2 is your slope of second line, then angle between them is given by true formula tan theta is equal to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 multiplied by m2 with your modulus. So this is the formula to find the angle between two lines whose slopes are given as m1 and m2. Now in the question number 9, we are given with your equation of lines as root 3x plus y is equal to 1 and this is x plus root 3y is equal to 1. These are the two given equation of lines जिनके बीच में हमें एंगल निकालना चाहते हैं. So first of all let me find the slope of the first line. m1 will be your how much? This is your minus root 3. अभी अभी बताया मैंने आपको, किसी भी लाइन के इक्वेशन में से अगर आप स्लोप फाइंड आउट करना चाहते हैं दैट इज गिवन बाय माइनस ए बाई बी, मीन्स माइनस कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स डिवाइड बाय कोफिशिएंट ऑफ वाई, एंड m2 विल बी योर minus 1 by root 3. So after getting the value of m1 and m2, we will put these values in your given formula. So tan theta will be given by m2 means minus 1 by root 3 minus plus root 3 upon 1 plus minus root 3 into minus 1 by root 3 with your modulus. And this will imply tan theta will be equal to minus 1 plus 3 upon root 3 upon cancel out 1 plus 1 is 2. I have taken the LCM, मैंने LCM ले लिया, numerator में root 3 आपका LCM है, so this is minus 1 plus root 3 into root 3 will be 3 upon root 3 and this is root 3 से root 3 cancel होने के बाद this is your minus and minus will be plus, so 1 plus 1 will be 2 and so further it can be written as tan theta will be equal to 2 upon root 3 multiplied by 1 upon 2 modulus, so cancel out, so tan theta will be your plus minus 1 by root 3, implies if tan theta is equal to root 1 by root 3 or tan theta will be your minus 1 by root 3. This will give you tan theta is equal to the value of 1 by root 3 in tan table will be your tan 30 degree, so theta will be your 30 degree. Same here, this is tan theta is equal to minus of tan 30 degree, implies this is tangent of 210, this is 180 minus 30 because second quadrant के अंदर negative होता है tan theta, so negative sign can be replaced by moving this angle into second quadrant, so this is your tan theta will be this one, so theta is implies 150 degree, so theta may be or 30 degree or 150 degree will be the angle between these two lines. This was the question number 9. Now let's do the question number 10. Again the question number 10 is the line through the points. A line is given to you which is passing through the 2 point h, 3 and 4, 1 which intersects the line 7x minus 9y minus 19 is equal to 0 at right angle. My dear students, these questions are very much easy. You have to just take care about the concepts given in the question and whatever the concept we have illustrated. Question is very simple, given that the line is passing through the 2 points and this line which is passing through 2 points is perpendicular to the another line whose equation is also given to you. और हमें h की वैल्यू निकालनी है. क्या करेंगे? Whenever two lines are perpendicular, it means the product of their slope is equal to minus 1. जब दो लाइन परपेंडिकुलर होती हैं तो उनके स्लोप की प्रोडक्ट हमेशा -1 होती है. दिस कंसेप्ट इज टू बी यूज इन दिस क्वेश्चन. सो द क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 is your here. Number 10 is your, this is given that line is there passing through the 2 points h, 1 and sorry h, 3 and 4, 1. 4, 1 is perpendicular to another line. Its equation is given as 7x minus 9y and minus 19 is equal to 0. This is like line AB and this is your CD. AB is perpendicular on CD. I think you should have to do by yourself. चलिए करते हैं, कोई बात नहीं, आप कर सकते हैं, यू शुड हैव टू, बट लेट मी स्टेट ऑल्सो. अब जो लाइन ए बी है, दिस इज पासिंग थ्रू 2 पॉइंट, सो वी कैन फाइंड द स्लोप ऑफ दिस लाइन. स्लोप of AB will be given by formula 3 minus 1 upon h minus 4, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, given by 2 upon h minus 4. What about slope of CD? This is directly in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So we can find the slope by using minus a upon b. Minus a कौन है? Minus 7. b कौन है? Minus 9. So this is 7 by 9. This is given that AB is perpendicular on CD, but AB is perpendicular on CD means M1 multiplied by M2 is equal to minus 1 implies 2 upon H minus 4 into 7 by 9 will be equal to minus 1. Or simply this can be as 14 upon 9H minus 36 is equal to minus 1 implies 14 is equal to minus 9H plus 36. Or 9H will be equal to, this is how much? 2, and this is your 2. So H will be your 22 by 9. So value of H is your 22 by 9. This will be your answer of the question number 10. Dear students, question number 11, question number 12 is your homework. Because in number 11 a line is given passing through a point and this is parallel to another line. So equation of line likhni hai. This is very much similar to the question number 7. Now number 12 is your two lines are passing through the point 2, 3. There are two lines which is passing through a common point 2, 3 and intersecting each other at angle of 60 degree. दोनों आपस में एक दूसरे को 60 डिग्री एंगल पर इंटरसेक्ट करती हैं, मीन्स दे आर मेकिंग एन एंगल ऑफ 60 degree with each other. And the slope of one line is 2, then we need to find the slope of other line. Okay, chalo, let me do this one. Question number 12 is your two lines are intersecting at a point 2, 3. These are the two lines intersecting each other at the point 2, 3 and the angle made between them is 60 degree and the slope of one line is 2. Then we need to find the equation of other line. Let this is your AB whose equation need to find and the CD is given to you. आपको AB लाइन की इक्वेशन निकालनी है जबकि CD का स्लोप आपको गिवन है. AB and CD both are making an angle of 60 degree with each other. They are passing through a common point 2, 3. बच्चों AB लाइन की इक्वेशन लिखने के लिए पॉइंट तो मुझे मिल ही गया है 2, 3. हाँ, मुझे चाहिए क्या? स्लोप. Always we require slope whenever point is given to you. So slope can be obtained through your the angle formula. दो लाइन के बीच में अगर एंगल tan थीटा एंगल बनता है, then tan थीटा is always given by m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 multiplied by m2 modulus. But we are given with m1 only. हमें m1 given है, यानी कि फर्स्ट लाइन का स्लोप गिवन है. जो रिक्वायर्ड लाइन है उसका स्लोप नहीं पता. So let me take slope of line AB is given as your m. So formula will be your tan 60, क्योंकि थीटा में 60 दिया हुआ है. थीटा इज ऑलरेडी गिवन 60. दिस इज m माइनस स्लोप आपका लाइन का 2 गिवन है. दिस इज 1 plus 2m. Modulus is also there. Now the value of tan 60 is your √3. So √3 is equal to, by taking plus minus, you can replace the modulus function by like this, which will imply √3 plus 2√3m is equal to m minus 2, or this is minus √3 minus 2√3m is equal to m minus 2. I have taken as plus √3 in this case, माइनस √3 इन दिस केस. पहले एक बार मैंने प्लस √3 लेके क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया है, फिर मैंने माइनस √3 लेके क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया है. सो दिस विल बी योर गिवन एज योर 2√3m minus m is equal to 2 minus 2 minus √3, और m is common, so this is 2√3 minus 1 is equal to √3 minus 2 plus 2, sorry, minus is common, so m will be your minus of √3 plus 2 upon 2 root 3 minus 1. So this is the case whenever plus root 3 is there. Now let me take the next case. This is your minus 2 root 3 m minus m is equal to minus 2 plus root 3, or simply m is common. This is your minus 2 root 3 plus 1 is equal to root 3 minus 2, or m will be your 2 minus root 3 अपॉन 2 रूट 3 प्लस 1. मैंने क्या किया है, ये जो माइनस साइन था यहाँ से भी माइनस कॉमन लिया मैंने, दोनों को प्लस कर दिया है. सो दिस इज 2 माइनस रूट 3 अपॉन रूट 2 रूट 3 प्लस 1. सो 2 slopes are there for the same line. We have the slope now and the point is also there. Now we can write down the equation of line AB by taking the point as 2, 3 and slope as, let me rub this one to write down the equation of line. So first of all let me take this case first. y minus y1, y1 क्या है 3, स्लोप कितना होगा माइनस ऑफ रूट 3 प्लस 2 अपॉन 2 रूट 3 माइनस 1, और x माइनस x1 इज 2. so this is your 2 root 3 minus 1 into y minus 6 root 3 plus 3 is equal to, this is minus root 3x. Oh, sorry, we can take your minus of root 3 plus 2 into x, and this is your plus 2 root 3 and plus 4. I just take this complete value with the x and open the with 2. मैंने सिर्फ 2 के साथ इन दोनों को ओपन किया है, लेकिन x के साथ सेम रखा because I required ax plus by. So take this value on the left hand side. This is your root 3 plus 2 into x plus 2 root 3 minus 1 into y, and this is to be your minus 6 root 3 plus 3 minus 2 root 3 minus 4 is equal to 0. Or simply it can be written as root 3 plus 2 into x plus 2 root 3 minus 1 into y, and this is your minus 8 root 3 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the line AB whenever slope is your plus root 3. And we need to take the second case as well. अब ये आपने second equation of second case में भी equation of line लिखनी है, and in that case you have to take the slope as 2 minus root 3 upon 2 root 3 plus 1, and then the point will remain same. So the first case whenever slope is your root 3, this is the equation of line, and the second case we have to discuss by yourself. आप लोग खुद करना है बच्चों. So let me discuss the next question please. Now number 13 is again the same case whatever we discussed in 11th number question. Find the equation of right bisector of the line segment joining the point this and this. Equation of right bisector का means लाइन की इक्वेशन निकालनी है जो दो पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करने में लाइन को परपेंडिकुलर और इक्वल इंटरसेक्ट पर क्रिएट करे, मीन्स मिड पॉइंट पर इंटरसेक्ट करे लाइक दिस. वी नीड टू फाइंड द इक्वेशन ऑफ दिस लाइन ज्वाइनिंग द 2 पॉइंट्स एज योर 3,4 एंड -1,2. ये दो पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करने वाली लाइन का राइट बाइसेक्टर ये वाली लाइन है ए बी. हमें इक्वेशन ऑफ ए बी निकालनी है. एक तो ये ए बी इन दोनों पॉइंट्स का मिड पॉइंट है. दिस पॉइंट इज सी इज द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ डी एंड ई. सो बाय मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला यू कैन फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ सी, एंड बिकॉज ए बी इज परपेंडिकुलर ऑन सी डी ई, सो जो डी ई का स्लोप आएगा उसका नेगेटिव रेसिप्रोकल आपका स्लोप ऑफ ए बी मिलेगा. सो स्लोप आपको मिल जाएगा, पॉइंट आपको मिल गया, पॉइंट स्लोप फॉर्म लगाएंगे एंड यू विल गेट योर आंसर. So this was the question number 14. Let's do the question number 15 in your next video. Thank you and have a nice day.